welcome back to Life on Greenwood. I'm participating in a challenge today. It's the Kitchen Drawer Reorganization Challenge. And thank God for this because it gave me the opportunity to get into a couple of my drawers and kind of straighten them out. So I'm happy to participate. And I want to thank the host for putting this challenge out there, and I'll link the information right here. All right, let's get started with this reorganization. These kitchen drawers really needed a little bit of TLC. You'll see what I mean.
So I'm so glad to finally get to this kitchen drawer. Happy that there's this collab going on that I could jump in. Again, I want to thank the hostess for sponsoring this challenge. So this drawer is my drawer that I usually keep my kitchen towels in, and it ended up having some placemats put in there. Not placemats, but oven mitts and napkins and a few other things that really should not have been in there. But today I'm going to just give it a little wipe down and then see if I can get some organization going on here. I don't have a lot of dish towels or anything like that. I keep one on the fridge and the oven and one on the dishwasher. And I may have one or two that over that I use. And these napkins that you see here on the counter were leftover. I just keep them in the drawer. I'm going to find a home for them somewhere in another drawer, I think, today. So I'm going to, after wiping down the drawer, I'm going to use some contact paper bought from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to clean this up and just line this drawer with this Dollar Tree contact paper. And as you know, it's self-adhesive, so it goes on really quickly. I don't have every drawer lined with this. I just thought I would do this for this drawer. And as you can see, it's going on really, really easily. You can smooth this out with your hand if you just take your time. Some people use like a credit card or something just to smooth it out, smooth out the bubbles. But I just slowly run my hand down the paper as I'm pulling it forward. That usually works for me. If it's a bigger project, I may use something else. But this is one little drawer, and it's working for me, and I'm excited because it looks nice and neat. So I'm happy to straighten out this drawer and just tidy it up a bit. It needed it. It just needed some organization. So that's what we're trying to do here. Just organize it so that I can get better use out of it. So let's see what we have here. Working with some oven mitts, pot holders, napkins, dish towels, dishcloths. Let's see. So I'm going to try to roll them up and stack them in there. The ones I usually have like 4 or 5 dish towels in here, and the dish towel drying rack. The drying rack. Not the drying rack. What's that? Oh, drying cloth is what I have that I put in here. I keep in here as well. So I'll just roll these dish towels up and dishcloths and put back the drying cloth. And what an improvement. And those other pot holders, I used some command hooks and added 2 command hooks to my drawer, and the drawer where I'm putting these are where I keep like baking pans and things like that. So I just hooked 2 command hooks on that door, and I'll keep those pot holders right there. and those oven mitts. So that helps get them out of the drawer. And the leftover cloth napkins, I'll just put in here with these placemats, and that should just about do it. So I have a place for everything and everything in its place. I'm so excited about this.
So that is my kitchen drawer reorganization. I'm happy with it. I'm satisfied. Things are a lot more orderly now. I want to thank the host for hosting this challenge, and I'll leave all the information in the description box along with the playlist. So thanks again. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.